I want to show you one of the revenue streams that are most overlooked, that you could actually generate 5 figures every single month utilizing this revenue stream, right, with your storage business. All right, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get straight into the video.
I've been in the business 9 years. Commercial real estate investor. See, most of us, we losing our own blessings because we want to get the whole pie. We want 100% of nothing.
I got business, credit, real estate. Got some assets on the market from recession up to date. I got business, credit, real estate.
Yo, I need to become more effective in less time. If it takes you 30 years to do something, I need to do it in 5. I'm not trying to wait time 30, 40 years in to retire, get a pension, then go get a second job and now work. No, I'm not doing it.
Funding for the business with a lower interest rate. I got get your LLC. You gon' need an EIN. You get verified online. A few more steps, you be right in. Get your headset in the game. We gon' need you to buy in. Execution is the loophole with the strings that we tie in.
Hey, what's up, everyone? So today I'm doing something different. I'm actually out in the field. So I just said, let me just pick up my camera and let me vlog. Let me just show you, one of the streams that you can create. And when we talk about buying self-storage businesses, there are multiple streams of income that you can create out of one acquisition. And that's why I love it. Just think about it, buying one business and creating 7 different streams of income. And in this case, I want to just share with you one of those streams in real time. All right, so stick with me. I'm gonna get out. It's actually snowing. It's actually snowing out here, which is insane. I gotta put my hood on. It's actually snowing out here, all right? But that's how dedicated I am to providing the valuable content and giving you everything that you need to be able to grow your self-storage business and start cash flowing, all right? So look, this is one of the streams that I'm showing you right here. One of the streams right here. So parking. Check this out. So do you know that this right here is $200 a month, right? This vehicle right here is another one. That's another $200 a month. Right here, these spots are another $200 each month. A lot of people don't realize that you can make money by renting out parking spots. Now, this is $200 a month each spot, and it's outdoors, right? So that means that they have to deal with the snow, the rain, the sun, all of that cool stuff. But you can also pay $350, which is an additional $100 a month if you pay for closed parking. All right, this is going to be parking that will be sheltered. All right, so I just want to show you, in real time, right? All right, y'all. So this is what I do at the facility cases, right? So you see Lamborghini. Actually, do this right. Check this out. All right, so you see this Mercedes-Benz AMG, and it's enclosed, right? This is $350. So if you think about this storage facility, right? All of these units, this is what you call cash flow. See, that door is cash flow. That door right there is cash flow. That door right there is cash flow, all right? All from space, all right? So what I'm gonna do now is actually swap out this vehicle in real time, as y'all see, all right? So get with me, let me get in here. All right. I'm swapping out my vehicles. So from the Lamborghini, then we go to the Benz. Let's roll on out. Whoa. So we're gonna roll out. All right, so now I'm in my Benz, and what's gonna happen is I'm going to swap out these cars, and I'm gonna go about my day. But the bigger picture on what I want to share with everyone on this video is that you can make money by renting spots for parking. You can make so much money just by parking, right? So right here, you see, it's all parking spots that pay cash flow. Every single time. So just a few revenue streams that I'm going to share with you in the next video. I'm going to talk to you about insurance and how we make money off of our tenant protection insurance plan. I'm going to share with you how we make money with U-Haul. I'm going to share with you how we make money with retail services, right? But in this video, I just want to show you quickly how we make money by parking, charging for parking spots, whether it is outdoor, whether it's closed. There's a lot of money to make in this business. So make sure you continue to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop another video. All right, y'all. So look, I just switched cars, right? I just went from my Lamborghini to my Benz, and I switch it up, time and time again because different days, different occasions. But again, the bigger picture is making money, different streams of income, one acquisition, right? I'll see you in the next video.